When you come home from a long day out, how do you find your total relaxation? In today's Designer's Den, I'm going to show you how we find total relaxation here at AFW. Motion furniture has come a long way. We've gone from that handle recliner and then to power and then power adjustable headrests. And now we have zero gravity reclining motion furniture that puts you in the perfect position for total relaxation. Let's check it out. So zero gravity was actually designed by astronauts. They are in a zero gravity position, actually going up into space in their rocket ships. So zero gravity puts your body at a total comfort spot where it's alleviating all the pressure points in your body and putting your feet slightly above your heart and promoting blood circulation. We're all about total relaxation and comfort here at AFW. You can find this and more at afw.com. Thanks for joining at today's Designer's Den.